Founded in 2008, was registered in Yongkang of China, our company has a modern standard plant with 45,000 square meters and more than 500 employees. Company is a modern factory that integrates the design, exploitation, production, marketing, and service of doors, locks, and keys. The company has R&D and testing center with intelligent lock body design and development capabilities. We can meet the needs of different grades and different levels. Our company sells well all over the world. We adhere to the principle of the first criterion is quality to cooperate with all customers to create a bright future together. Technology changes lives, promoting safer and more convenient lifestyles.